Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included when you purchase one of our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series diesel gauge set for the 03 to 09 Dodge Ram Cummins. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 1500 degree EGT gauge, and a transmission temperature gauge, all featuring a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 60 PSI Boost Gauge with a color change button on the front, 2 foot of power wire on the back, and a 1/8 MPT pressure fitting. A 52mm analog 1500 degree EGT gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog transmission temperature gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, an 03 to 09 Dodge Ram Cummins installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with a waterproof connector, a 3-foot power harness for your exhaust temperature gauge, a 3-foot power harness for your transmission temperature gauge, a transmission temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a boost bolt adapter, a transmission T-fitting adapter for 07.5 to 09 trucks, a transmission test board extender for 03 to 07 5.9 liter trucks, mounting brackets and hardware, a pillar mounting bolt, a direct replacement color match triple pillar gauge pod, a 3-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.